I'm Lauren Messiah. I'm a stylist in Los Angeles, but today I'm going to be your stylist and tell you what shoes to wear with skinny pants. Now, skinny jeans, leggings, anything that's really skinny and tight around the leg is in and it's here to stay. I remember when they first came in style and it was like, oh, this is going to be a fad, but it's not. They're just a wardrobe staple. So you're going to need to get with the program and figure out what shoes to wear with these pants. The good news is that pretty much any shoe goes. So I'm going to share with you some of my favorites. Today I have on a pair of sequin skinny pants, and I paired them with a pair of ankle boots, which, you know, with the ankle boot you want to be a little more careful because it depends on where they hit. But these just kind of show a little bit of skin, kind of like a pump. Speaking of pumps, pumps are great with skinny pants. It always works. It's classic. It actually makes you look really slim too. So a little bonus for you. Another option that I love when like running around town, doing grocery shopping, is ballet flats with skinny pants. Always a hit, always looks good. Another option, you know, going back to the boots, you can do the ankle boot or a knee-high boot. If you want to really go crazy, you can try a thigh-high boot as well, if you're feeling crazy. And if you're in more of a comfort, you know, type of mood, sneakers work too. Not gym sneakers, okay? Keep those at the gym. No running shoes or anything like that. But a stylish pair of high tops or a pair of Converse really looks nice with a pair of skinny pants. So those are my shoe recommendations. You know, try things at home, see what works, see what makes you feel comfortable, but you can't fail with my recommendations. So there you have it, shoes with skinny pants. For more tips and tricks, you can visit my website, laurenmessiah.com.